Hey, this is Maddie and Dustin from TerryFamilyAdventures.com.
Today, our 2 big water slides are going out
to our local emergency response teams.
So we're gonna take you with us through a delivery day.
Let's go.
Dustin is now backing up to the trailer so we can get everything loaded up. We have the bounce houses loaded, so Dustin is gonna pull up so we can load up all the other needs.
We are all loaded up and ready to go.
So we will see you at delivery.
Contract time.
Yeah, he was saying that. We just got here. We deflated this one. We're getting the water out so we can clean it, lift it back up, let it dry, and then fold them up. We have to do that one next.
The goal is so we don't have to go home and inflate them and do all the cleaning there. We're gonna try to do it here, so because they go out in the next few days, we got to take them back out to the next person. So we're gonna try to make this one-stop shop. We're gonna play some disc golf. This is a park where we're at. We're gonna play some disc golf and have fun. Enjoy. Okay, so Maddie got them all power washed. She's getting a few extra little things, making sure nothing's loose in there and stuff like that. She's already been to the top, but now we're gonna let them dry and then we'll come back and we'll hit the insides of these pools. This one creates a giant air bubble, which makes it pretty nice for the drying process at least. This one's, that's pretty easy. But we're gonna bring our vacuum and we will vacuum out later, but right now we're gonna let them dry. And me and Maddie, we're gonna go play some disc golf. So we'll shoot a little of that as we play. Stay tuned. Right now we are just letting the air out of them, letting them deflate so we can get ready and roll them. Maddie is rolling up extension cords, putting up the blowers, taking out all the stakes, just kind of odds and ends stuff. And then we got to roll them up and take up the tarps, load them on the trailer, and we're out of here. Water and you're thirsty as shit, you drink wherever you can get it.
Just finished up.
They had a great time at the party. They loved them. This is the second year we have done this for the emergency response teams. The kids enjoyed them. It was really nice being able to clean them before we take them home. That is awesome. It saves a lot of work for us. Like I said, they're going out in a few days. But the main thing is they enjoyed them. They loved them. They recommended us to other people, they said. And we even had a guy, as we were cleaning, I don't know if it was in the camera or not, we even had a guy come and talk to us about more business. So wanted business cards and looked us up on Facebook. So
We thank you guys for watching and joining us on our delivery day.
if you love this stuff, please subscribe because we're going to do this and lots more. Family that adventures together stays together.